students, this is the translation section, and here whatever I'm going to ask you, you have to simply translate into English. You don't have to think about your mistakes. You simply have to translate the things that I'm asking you. And the good thing of this SMP sentence making process is that it helps us to improve our fluency. It helps us to boost our self-confidence, because for non-native speakers like us, we face many problems when we speak English. But through this translation, through this sentence making process, we become self-confident. So here I am going to ask you a few questions that will be based on tenses, modals, to be and to have that you have learned already. So I think you all can translate them confidently. So are you ready to translate? Yes, sir. Say yes if you are ready. Are you ready? Yes, sir. It's not audible yaar. Say loudly, are you ready? Yes, sir. That is the spirit. एक जोश होना चाहिए हमारे अंदर, तभी मजा आता है सीखने में. That's good. Hello everyone, you are watching this video on our YouTube channel Persona Institute for English, and this is the class recorded session. Now you can see these extraordinary students are sitting over here. So this is the practice session round, everybody, and I'm going to ask you a few questions based on your topics that you have covered over here. So let's see how you are going to answer them, how you are going to translate. So we start from the brilliant boy of the class. Now everybody, let me tell you, he thinks that I am the extraordinary, I am the brilliant student of the class, and let's see how brilliant he is. Have it. You have to speak in mic. I'm going to ask you a few questions. Are you ready to answer?
Yes, sir.
Really?
Yes, sir.
Okay. मैं क्लास में हूँ.
I'm in class.
मैं इंग्लिश क्यों सीख रहा हूँ?
Why I'm learning English?
Why am I learning English? Speak in mic. Okay. मुझे वहाँ जाना चाहिए.
I should go there.
अब आप कब गए?
When did you went there?
When did you
go there?
अब आप कैसे जाओगे?
How will you go there?
अब आप क्यों जा रहे हो?
Why are you going there?
आप पढ़ाई कैसे कर रहे हो?
How are you studying?
मुझे सोचने दो.
Let me think.
मैं आपको सोचने नहीं दे सकता.
I cannot let you think.
I cannot let you think. देखो स्पीड में आप गलती मतलब एक एक्यूरेसी मेंटेन करना है ना.
Yes, sir.
भले ही आराम से बोलो लेकिन सही बोलना है ना.
Yes,
ओके मैं वहाँ जाना चाहता हूँ लेकिन
I
मेरे
want
पास
to go
समय
there,
नहीं.
but I have no time.
What did you say? Please speak.
I want to go there, but I have no time.
आपके पास समय होना चाहिए.
You should time. You should have time.
You should have time. आपको वहाँ जाना चाहिए.
You should go there.
सर मेरे पास समय नहीं है इसलिए मैं वहाँ नहीं जा
Sir,
सकता.
I have no time. That is why I can't go there.
आपको वहाँ जाने की जरूरत
You
है.
need to go there.
अब आप कहाँ थे?
Where were you?
आप क्या कर रहे थे?
What were you doing?
क्या आप सुन रहे थे?
Were you listening?
क्या आप सो रहे थे?
Were you sleeping?
जब मैंने आपको कॉल किया कि आप सो रहे
When I
थे?
call you, you were sleeping.
When I call you or when I called you?
When I called you, you were sleeping.
Okay, मैं सो नहीं रहा था, मैं पढ़ाई कर रहा था.
I was not sleeping. I was studying.
क्या पढ़ाई करते हो दिन में?
Do you study in day?
मैं दिन में पढ़ाई नहीं करता, मैं रात में पढ़ाई करता हूँ.
I was not study in day. I study in
Night.
night.
आपको दिन में भी पढ़ाई करना चाहिए.
You should study in
Day as
day.
well. आपको वहाँ जाना चाहिए.
You should go there.
अब आप कब जाओगे?
When you will
अब
go
आप
there.
कैसे जाओगे?
How will you go
अब आप
there?
कैसे जा रहे हो?
How are you going there?
That's good. Let's ask him something tough. यार मैं इंग्लिश बोलने लग गया हूँ.
I am started learning English.
ऑडियंस सही है?
I am
मैं
starting
इंग्लिश
learning.
बोलने लग गया हूँ. I have started speaking English. उसने पढ़ाई करना बंद कर दिया
He
क्योंकि उसकी
stopped
एग्जाम ओवर हो
studying
गई.
because his exam is over.
Because his exam is over, that is why he has
Stopped studying.
studying. आपको वहाँ जाना बंद कर देना
You
चाहिए.
should stop going there.
आपको इंग्लिश सीखना शुरू कर देना
You
चाहिए.
should start studying.
You should
learning
start-
English. Learning English.
आपको इंग्लिश बोलना शुरू कर देना
You
चाहिए.
should start speaking English.
मैं इंग्लिश बोलना कल से शुरू कर दूंगा.
I will start speaking English from tomorrow.
आपको उसे बोलने देना चाहिए.
You let him speak.
आपको उसे बोलने देना चाहिए.
You should let him speak.
मैं उसे नहीं बोलने दे
I will
सकता.
not let him speak.
नहीं दे सकता.
I cannot let him speak.
I cannot let him speak. मैं उसे नहीं जाने दे सकता क्योंकि उसने भी मुझे नहीं जाने दिया था.
I cannot let him go because he didn't let me go.
Because he did not let me go. That is why I can't let him go. That's very good यार. काफी अच्छा बोला इसने. He translated all the sentences very well, and I would say कि छोटी-छोटी mistakes थी, but overall before the camera he spoke very well. Let's talk about from this side. Yes, have it. What's your name?
My name is Muskan Deshpande.
Muskan Deshpande. Let's see how she's going to speak. Everybody, are you ready to listen?
Yes, sir.
Nikunj? Okay, let's start. So Muskan, my first questions to you. आप कहाँ हैं?
Where were you?
Where?
Where are you?
अभी आप कहाँ हैं?
Where are you now?
मैं अभी पर्सोना इंस्टीट्यूट में.
I'm in Persona.
पर्सोना इंस्टीट्यूट में आप क्या कर रही हैं?
What are you doing in Persona Institute?
आपको इंग्लिश सीखना पसंद है?
Do you like to learn English?
क्या आपको इंग्लिश बोलना पसंद है?
Do you like to speak English?
आप इंग्लिश क्यों बोलती हैं?
Why are you speaking English?
Why do you speak
Why do you
English?
speak
अब आप क्यों
English?
जाती हैं?
Why do you go
अब
there?
आप कैसे गई?
How did you go there?
अब आप क्यों जा रही हैं?
Why are you going there?
अब आप कैसे जा रही हैं?
How are you going there?
आप यहाँ कब आती हैं?
When did you come
आप
here?
यहाँ कब आई?
When did you come
क्या
here?
ये आपकी बुक है?
Is this your book?
क्या आप इंग्लिश सीखती हैं?
Do you learn English?
क्या आप इंग्लिश सीख सकती हैं?
Can you learn English?
Oh, that's good. क्या आप उसे जानती हैं?
Do you know her? Do you know him?
डू यू नो हिम? डू यू? हाँ, मैं उसे जानती हूँ, वो मेरा पड़ोसी है.
Yes, I know him because he is my neighbor.
ही इज माई नेबर. ओके, क्या आप एसएन कॉलेज में पढ़ती हैं?
Are you studying in SN college?
Is
Do you
it-
study in SN college?
डू यू स्टडी इन एसएन? सर मैं एसएन कॉलेज में 2 साल पहले थी, बट मैं अभी अपना ग्रेजुएशन कंप्लीट कर चुकी हूँ, तो मैं अभी जीडीसी कॉलेज में हूँ.
Sir, I was in SN college 2 years ago,
ओके, मैं अपना ग्रेजुएशन कंप्लीट कर चुकी हूँ और मैं अभी अब जीडीसी कॉलेज में हूँ.
and now I have completed my graduation
हाँ, और मैं अभी जीडीसी कॉलेज में हूँ.
and now I am in GDC
आप
college.
जीडीसी कॉलेज में क्या कर रही हैं?
What are you doing in GDC
आप
college?
इंग्लिश कैसे सीख रही हैं?
How are you learning
क्या आप
English?
मुझे जानती हैं?
Do you know me?
ओके, क्या आपकी बुक है?
Is this your book?
Is this your book? That's very good. Biggest, the smallest. What's your name?
Samarth Patel.
It's not audible. Speak loudly. What's your name?
Samarth Patel.
Samarth Patel. Samarth, can you answer?
Yes, sir, I can answer.
Really?
Yes, sir.
Okay, मेरा नाम समर्थ पटेल है.
My name is Samarth Patel.
मैं खंडवा से हूँ.
I am from Khandwa.
मैं इंग्लिश सीखता हूँ.
I learn English.
I learn English. कौन सा टेंस है समर्थ?
Simple present.
Simple present tense. Okay. इसका पेसिव क्या होगा? I learn English का पेसिव क्या होगा?
English is learned by me.
Yes. I learn English, तो English is learned by me. I speak English, इसका पेसिव क्या होगा?
E- English is spoken by me.
English is spoken by me. I understand English. इसका पेसिव क्या होगा?
English is understanding by me.
अच्छा. English is understood by me. The second form of understand is understood. So you would say English is understood by me. Okay, ये मेरा बैग है.
This is my bag.
मेरे पास बैग नहीं है.
I have no bag.
मैं इंग्लिश बोलता हूँ.
I speak
मैं
English.
सोचता हूँ.
I think.
I think. मैं अपने फ्यूचर के बारे में सोचता हूँ.
I think about my future.
आपको अपने फ्यूचर के बारे में सोचना चाहिए.
You should think about your future.
You should think
Future.
about your future. आपको वहाँ जाना चाहिए.
You should go there.
आप वहाँ जाओगे.
You will go there.
आप वहाँ कैसे जाओगे?
How will you go there?
आप वहाँ कब जाओगे?
When will you go there?
आप वहाँ कब जा सकते हो?
When can you go there?
मुझे वहाँ जाना है.
I have to go there.
I have to go there. मुझे यहाँ आना है.
I have to come here.
मैं यहाँ आ सकता हूँ.
I can come here.
मैं यहाँ आऊँगा.
I will come here.
I will come here. मैं सोचूंगा.
I will think.
I will think. मैं नहीं सोचूंगा.
I will not think.
क्या आप सोचते हैं?
Do you think?
क्या आप पढ़ाई करते हैं?
Do you study?
क्या आप पढ़ाई करेंगे?
Will you study?
Will you study? आप यहाँ कैसे आएंगे?
How will you come here?
How will you come here? That's very good. Is there anybody who just say, sir, ask to me, I'm not going to make a single mistake even? Yes. A single mistake. जो ये बोलता है कि सर मैं एक single mistake भी नहीं करूंगा. I'm fully confident. Arif. Now let's see. Arif is saying that he's not going to make even a single mistake. Let's see how he's going to speak. Yeah, by standing up, you have to speak, Arif. Okay, let's see how he's going to speak. Arif, are you ready, brother?
Yes, sir, I am ready.
Really?
Yes, sir.
You have to speak in mic so that you will be audible properly. The first thing that I'm going to ask you is, अब आप कब गए?
When do you go there? When did you go there?
अब आप कैसे गए?
How did you go there?
आप इंग्लिश क्यों सीखना चाहते हो?
Why do you want to learn English?
क्या आपने उसकी मदद करी?
Did you help him?
क्या आपने उसे देखा?
Did you see him?
क्या आपने उसे जाते हुए देखा?
Did you see go there?
Did you see him going?
Did you see him going?
क्या आपने उसे बोलते हुए देखा?
Did you see speak him?
Did you see him speaking?
Did you see him?
हाँ, मैंने उसे बोलते हुए देखा.
Yes, I am. But I do speak.
I saw him speaking.
Yeah, I saw him speaking.
आपको वहाँ जाना चाहिए.
You should go there.
अब आप कब गए?
When did you go there?
क्या आप यहाँ रोज आते हो?
Do you come here daily?
आप यहाँ कब आते हो?
When do you come here?
आप इंग्लिश कैसे सीखते हो?
How do you learn English?
आपने इंग्लिश कैसे सीखी?
How did you learn English?
आपने उसकी मदद क्यों करी?
Why did you help him?
आपको उसकी मदद करनी पड़ेगी क्योंकि वो आपका फ्रेंड है.
आपको उसकी मदद कर you have to help him because he is your
Your
friend.
friend. Have to or will have to?
Will have to, sorry.
Why? Because पड़ेगी.
पड़ेगी, yes,
It is
sir.
showing the
It's
future.
the future-
And for
future
future
tense.
we use will have to.
Yes, sir.
Okay?
Yes,
If
sir.
you say you have to help him, what does it mean in Hindi?
You have to
Help him.
you
इसका हिंदी क्या होगा?
you have to help him.
हाँ.
उसकी मदद करनी पड़ेगी.
पड़ती है.
पड़ती है.
तुम्हें उसकी मदद करनी
पड़ती
है.
है.
तुम्हें उसकी मदद करनी है.
करनी
Okay. क्या आप तैयार हैं?
Are you ready?
क्या आप इंग्लिश सीखने के लिए तैयार?
Are you learning English?
Are you ready to
Are you
learn?
ready to learn English?
क्या आप इंग्लिश बोलने के लिए तैयार?
Are you speaking? Are you ready to speak English?
Are you ready to speak English? आप इंग्लिश कैसे बोलते हैं?
How do you speak English?
आपने इंग्लिश कैसे बोली?
How did you speak English?
आप यहाँ कब आए?
When did you come here?
आप वहाँ कब गए?
When did you go there?
आपको वहाँ जाना पड़ेगा.
You have to go there.
आपको वहाँ जाना पड़ेगा.
You will have to go there.
You will have to go there. आपको यहाँ आना पड़ेगा.
You will have to come here.
मैं आना चाहता हूँ लेकिन मेरे पास समय नहीं है.
I want to come here because I have no time.
Because
But I have no time.
but I have no time. आपको यहाँ आना पड़ेगा.
You will have to come here.
आप कहाँ हो?
Where are you?
क्या आप मार्केट में हो?
Are you in market?
आप मार्केट में क्या कर रहे हो?
What are you doing in market?
आपको वहाँ नहीं जाना चाहिए
You
शाम
should
में.
you should not go you should not go there in evening time.
In evening.
In evening.
ठीक है. मार्केट
sir.
अभी बहुत भीड़ भाड़ वाले हैं.
Market is
Markets are very
Crowded.
crowdy these days.
these days.
ठीक है. आपको अभी मार्केट में नहीं जाना चाहिए.
You should not go there market.
You should not go there in market.
In
Okay,
market.
क्या आप इंग्लिश सीखते हो?
Are you learning English?
Do you?
Do you learning?
क्या आप यहाँ आते हो?
Do you come here?
आप यहाँ कैसे आते हो?
How did you come here?
How?
Do you come here?
आप इंग्लिश कैसे बोलते हो?
How do you speak English?
आप मुझे इंग्लिश बोलने की जरूरत है.
I need to speak English.
मुझे वहाँ जाने की जरूरत है.
I need to go there.
मैं वहाँ जाना चाहता हूँ.
I want to go there.
That's very good. If you were confused little bit in the beginning,
Yes, sir.
but
First
later on
time
you
is-
spoke very well.
Yes, sir.
And first time you are facing camera, that is why.
Yes, sir.
And it happens when we face camera first time, and I would say that you spoke very well. A good clapping for him. Yeah, from the girl side. Yeah, from the girl side. Is there anybody who says that? Ask to me. Okay, so Payal, are you ready?
Yes, sir, I'm ready.
Really?
Yes.
Okay. आप कहाँ हो?
Where are you?
आप क्या करते हो?
What do you do?
आप क्या करेंगी?
What will you do?
आप क्या कर सकती हैं?
What can you do?
क्या निष्ठा? आस्था आपकी फ्रेंड है?
Is Asta your friend?
क्या आप आस्था से झगड़ा करती हैं?
Do you fight with Asta?
नहीं सर, मैं उससे झगड़ा नहीं करती हूँ, मेरी फ्रेंड है.
No, sir, I don't fight with Asta. She is my friend.
आपको उससे झगड़ा करना चाहिए.
You should fight with Asta.
सच्चे दोस्त आपस में झगड़ा करते हैं. True friends
True friends fight
with each other. इसलिए आपको उससे झगड़ा करना चाहिए.
That's why you should fight with her.
आपको उसकी मदद करनी चाहिए.
You should help him.
आपको उसकी मदद नहीं करनी चाहिए, उसको अपनी मदद खुद करनी चाहिए.
You should not help him. She should.
You should
help
not help her. She should help herself. What you would say? She should help herself. उसको उसकी मदद खुद करनी चाहिए. For खुद you have to use herself. Okay, आप यहाँ कब आती हैं?
When do you come here?
आप इंग्लिश कब सीखती हैं?
When do you learn English?
आपने इंग्लिश कब सीखी?
When did you learn English?
अब वहाँ कब गई?
When did you go
अब वहाँ
there?
कैसे गई?
How did you
अब
go
वहाँ
there?
क्यों जाएंगी?
Why will you go there?
अब वहाँ कब जाएंगी?
When will you go there?
आपको वहाँ जाने की जरूरत
You
है.
need to go there.
आपको यहाँ आने की जरूरत
You
है.
need to come here.
मैं यहाँ आना चाहता हूँ लेकिन मेरे पास समय नहीं है.
I want to come here, but I have no time.
मैं इंग्लिश बोलना चाहता हूँ.
I want to learn English.
मुझे इंग्लिश बोलने दो.
I
Let me speak English.
Speak English.
मुझे वहाँ जाने दो.
let me go there.
अब आप क्यों जा रहे हो?
Why are you going
आप
there?
यहाँ कब आए?
When do you come? When did you come here?
अब आप कैसे गए?
How did you go there?
How did you go there? Right?
Yes.
Chali, that's very good. Yeah, nice. A good clapping for her.